In this class, we are going to learn how to access your Oracle Process Automation instance that is using Oracle Integration 3. Once you have logged into your Oracle Integration 3 instance, you will be seeing this landing or the home page. On click of the navigator, that is this sign on the left top corner, that is the navigation menu, you will see bunch of options in the navigation menu. So we need to click on the processes, click on this. You will be taken straight into your Oracle Process instance just like this. So you will be seeing the navigation menu on the left top corner over here. So under the application, you will see process and decision. These are part of the designer or the development environment. If you look at the workspace, as we talked about this, workspace is the runtime environment of process application. We can track the task, tracking of the process instances, so on and so forth things. We can do the management of the process application. So this is the very simple user interface for Oracle Process Automation. Here you will see the list of all the applications when we create the applications. So this is one of the way how you can navigate from your Oracle Integration 3 instance to the Process Automation. Similarly, if you have subscribed to Oracle Process Automation standalone instance in OCI, then you can navigate straight into your OPA instance. That is by clicking on the hyperlink on your OCI OPA instance. So you can just click on that and you will navigate it straight into this process instance. In our next class, we will learn how to create our very first Oracle Process Automation application.